Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 11. 11 is a prime, a palindrome, and the only single-digit friendly prime whose early powers read the same backwards as forwards. By the end of this video, you'll know the alternating sum divisibility test, why 11 squared cubed and to the fourth are all palindromes, and the row of Pascal's triangle that ties it all together. Quick identity check. 11 is odd. 11 is prime. 11 is a palindrome. Read it backwards, still 11. And 11 squared, 121, is also a palindrome. 11 is the smallest two-digit prime, and the smallest two-digit palindrome that's also prime. It's a number with stupidly clean symmetry hiding behind it. Multiples of 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Notice the pattern. Every two-digit multiple of 11 is just a repeating digit. The divisibility test for 11 is the alternating sum trick. Take a number, alternate adding and subtracting its digits from left to right, and if the answer is 0 or a multiple of 11, the original number is 2. Try 2915. 2 minus 9 plus 1 minus 5 equals minus 11. Divisible. Powers of 11. 11 to the 0 is 1. 11 to the 1 is 11. 11 squared, 121. Cubed, 1,331. To the fourth, 14,641. Read those backwards. 121 is a palindrome. 1331 is a palindrome. 14641 is a palindrome. The pattern only breaks down at 11 to the fifth, when carrying kicks in. Palindromic powers. Read them backwards, they're the same. 11 squared, 121. 11 cubed, 1331. 11 to the fourth, 14641. These are actually the rows of Pascal's triangle. 1, 1, 121, 1331, 14641. The binomial expansion of 1 plus 1 all to the n. Once you've squared to single digits past 9, carries break the pattern, but until then, 11's powers are pure Pascal in disguise. Key relationships. 11 squared is 121. 11 cubed is 1331. 11 to the fourth is 14641. 11 is the smallest two-digit prime. 11 is the smallest prime palindrome. And there's exactly one Pythagorean triple involving 11 below 100. But you won't see 11 in standard GCSE triples. It's more useful for divisibility and palindromic indices questions. Where 11 appears in your exam, divisibility test by alternating the digit sum, useful for any factor question with a big number. Square numbers to recognize, 121 is 11 squared. Surd questions, root 121 is 11, never leave it as a surd. Factorizing, 121x squared minus 49 factorizes as 11x minus 7 times 11x plus 7, and probability questions about two-digit primes. Where 11 hides, 121 is 11 squared, 1331 is 11 cubed, 14641 is 11 to the fourth, 22, 33, 55, 77, 99, these are all multiples of 11, and every palindrome with an even number of digits, like 1221 or 36563, divides by 11. Try it on a calculator. Always works. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.